Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today we're diving into M7 Metrics. It's the ultimate trading, lifestyle, success and performance journal. Track daily habits, goals and health stats, enjoy extensive backtesting functionality, monitor live trades and harness the power of machine learning and data analysis. If you haven't got your hands on M7 Metrics yet, you can sign up for free. Yep, you heard it right. It's completely free and an absolute must-have for anyone serious about trading success. So, let's get started. Firstly, open your browser and head over to m7metrics.com. Take a moment to explore the website if you wish, but for the sake of this demonstration, I will guide you through the sign-up process directly. Click on the prominent Get It Now for Free button. This action will prompt a simple form where you will be asked to provide your name and email address. Once you've entered your details, click the submission arrow. Shortly after, you will receive an email containing instructions to finalize your registration. Follow the steps outlined in the email. You'll soon receive a confirmation email indicating that your M7 Metrics account has been successfully created and activated. Keep an eye out for this email as it will also include your login credentials. And there you have it. Your journey with M7 Metrics begins. It's that simple. With M7 Metrics, you're not just looking at charts, you're boosting your trading with a data-driven, systematic approach, setting the stage for consistent success. It's a game changer, helping you evaluate your performance, minimize risk, and refine your trading strategy. It's time to redefine success one day at a time with time and price always in view. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos and let's conquer the markets together.